Good morning, students. You can say it's the last video on rectification of errors, and this topic is rectification after the preparation of final accounts. That means final accounts is prepared, and now some errors were detected, and that error has to be rectified. One rule is there regarding this, and the rule is that rectification after final accounts should be done in the same manner as we do in the case of after the preparation of trial balance but before the preparation of final accounts. That means the method is same before the preparation of final accounts and after the preparation of final accounts. If the error is found out, the method, that is wrong entry, correct entry, wrong entry, and then rectifying entry, that method is same. But the only exception is that all nominal accounts in the rectification entry shall be substituted by the profit and loss adjustment account. Now, this is a very, very important line. All nominal accounts, all nominal accounts, that is sales account, purchase account, salary account, wages account, rent account, all the accounts which are nominal in nature, that is expenses, revenues, gains, losses, all this account will be substituted, their names will be substituted by the word profit and loss adjustment account. Like if suppose rent to cash is the adjustment, then we will write profit and loss adjustment account debit to cash. If suppose by adjustment entry is ram to wages, then ram account debit, because ram is a personal account, but instead of wages we will write profit and loss adjustment account. To clarify all these things, we have a sum. This is your sum, students. You can take the picture of this sum and do it on your own also. So this sum we will be solving. So the first entry is purchase of stationery of for rupees 400 recorded in the cash book as rupees 40. Purchase of stationery of 400 has been recorded in the cash book as rupees 40. My correct entry is stationery to cash 400 400. My wrong entry is stationery to cash 40 40 because I have recorded 40 only. Recorded means not posted, means recorded means journal entry. Journal entry I have done stationery to cash 40 40. How much is left? Deficiency 360. So stationery account debit to cash, if it would have been before preparation of final accounts, my rectifying entry would have been stationery to cash. So you see the rule is same before the preparation of final accounts. How we have applied the rule, correct entry, wrong entry, and rectified entry. Over here also same rule. But instead of this rectifying entry number 3, we are passing this one. Instead of stationery, which is a nominal account, we are passing profit and loss adjustment account debit to cash. Instead of stationery, profit and loss adjustment account to cash, because stationery is a nominal account. Cash is not a nominal account. Cash is an asset. Cash is a real account. So real account is not affected, personal account is not affected, but nominal account we will be changing, replacing with profit and loss adjustment account. Now your question is, why do we replace? We replace it because trading account and profit and loss account, we have already closed all our nominal accounts. As we have closed all our nominal accounts, we cannot disturb our nominal accounts anymore, because final accounts is after closing the trading and profit and loss account. So we are just disturbing our profit and loss account, or simply profit and loss adjustment account. Whereas cash and any personal account, they do directly come in the balance sheet. So they are not closed, they are assets and liabilities. So assets and liabilities, we are not recording with the word profit and loss adjustment, but all profits, losses, expenses, and revenues, as they are already being closed in trading and profit and loss account. That's why we are writing profit and loss adjustment account. Let's see one more example. Amount paid for installation of machinery rupees 10,000 was posted to the repairs and maintenance account. So my correct entry is machinery to cash. Wrong entry, you have recorded, you have posted. So posting error, so repairs to cash only. So repairs account is debited by 10,000. We have to credit the repairs account for rectification, and we have to create machinery account. So machinery account debit to repairs, this should be the correct entry. Machinery account debit to repairs, this should be the rectified entry. Machinery we have to create, and repairs we have to cancel. But as repairs is a mm, nominal account, so my rectified entry instead of machinery to repairs will become machinery to profit and loss adjustment account. 10,000, 10,000. Next, goods returned to John 3,000 were recorded in sales book. So goods returned to John. We are returning the goods to John. So John account to purchase return is my correct entry. Wrong entry we have recorded in the sales book. Now again journal. So John to sales. Totally changed. See, John to sales we have done. We have recorded the sales book means we are writing as if we have done a credit sale to John. So John to sales. Rectified entry sales we have to cancel. So sales account will be debited. And and purchase return we have to create. So purchase return account credit 3,000. Therefore, the rectified entry profit and loss adjustment account debit to profit and loss adjustment account debit to profit and loss adjustment account, because both are nominal account. And as both are nominal accounts, so PL adjustment to PL adjustment, actually there will be no journal entry, because we cannot have an entry like this after the preparation of final account, because they are self rectifying themselves. PL adjustment to PL adjustment, profit once increase, profit once decrease. PL adjustment to PL adjustment. So there will be no entry in the journal, in the final journals. Next, salary paid to Ram 6,000 was debited to his personal account. Correct entry salary to cash. We have done Ram to cash. Rectified entry salary to Ram. Instead of salary, we will have profit and loss adjustment account debit to Ram. Next, sale of old furniture has been credited to sales account rupees 200. Correct entry is cash to furniture. But what we have done, we have recorded as a sales, cash to sales. Rectifying entry, sales to furniture account. Sales to furniture, rectified entry. Therefore, rectifying entry, instead of sales, we will write profit and loss adjustment account debit to furniture account. Profit and loss adjustment account debit to furniture account, rectifying entry. After the preparation of trial balance, rupees 1,000 paid to Rajat, the landlord, was debited to Rajat account. Rent account debit to cash account. 1,000, 1,000. Wrong entry. Rajat account debit to cash account. 1,000, 1,000. Correct entry, rent to cash. Wrong entry, Rajat to cash. 1,000, 1,000. We have paid rent, but we have recorded in Rajat's account. Rectifying entry, rent to Rajat. We have to cancel, we have to create rent and cancel Rajat. So Rajat cancel, debit will become credit. Create rent, rent will become debited. Now, rectifying entry is profit and loss adjustment account debit to Rajat, because instead of rent, we are writing profit and loss adjustment account, rent being nominal, and Rajat is a personal account. We are not disturbing that. So, these are our 6 entries. The solution is again given this way. You will be giving the solution. That is the rough one. So my first solution was profit and loss adjustment to cash. Second, machinery to profit and loss adjustment. No entry for the third one. Fourth one, profit and loss adjustment to Ram. Fifth one, profit and loss adjustment to furniture. And the sixth one, profit and loss adjustment to Rajat. We have to prepare the PL adjustment account also, as it was asked in the sum. So if not asked, you will not prepare. If asked, then you will be preparing it. Profit and loss adjustment account, just ledger posting we have done. The first entry was profit and loss adjustment to cash. So we have written. Second entry was profit and loss adjustment to Ram, that we have done. Third entry, there will be no entry. Fourth one, there was machinery to profit and loss adjustment. So buy machinery. Fifth one, PL adjustment to furniture. And the sixth one, PL adjustment to Rajat. And then we got the balancing figure. 5440. It is also a credit balance, so it will be shown. No entry of goods returned by John 3,000 was recorded in the sales book. No entry for this goods returned by John recorded in the sales book. No entry for that. And profit and loss adjustment account will be shown in the liability side of the balance sheet, because it has a credit balance. If it would have been a debit balance, we would have shown in the asset side. Now complete sum, students. This is your homework. Please do the homework, and you can send me through comment in my channel, or you can send me through WhatsApp, or you can send me through mail. You can send me by any means, students. I am eager to check your answers and give you the correct ones. Thank you, students.